Sabi na, A-room. Mom! So, let's see. There's 3 beds. Yung isa extra bed, dyan lang natutulog. Tapos dito si kuya ko, and dito si mama, si daddy. And then may mirror dito. Tara! And then, ayan, may upuan. And then, there's a side table there. Yan ako kumain kapag gabi. Then here, yan, may ganito. And then my phone. And then dito may drawer. May vault. Ayan. And then here, may TV. And then, yan. Tapos, may side table ulit dito. And then, this is the CR. So, yeah. So, this is the bathroom. So, comfort room and then shower. And then, this is the vanity area. So, may blower silang kasama and dami mga iuwi sa bahay. So, yeah. That's the room tour, guys. I hope you guys like it. Medyo mainit.
Hey, ma'am. Para sini.
So right now, we are walking around the Boracay Island. Ayun, nasa Boracay Island naman na tayo. Itikman namin yung Jonas. Depende pa kung papayag dumaan. Magulang ako eh. Nabudol natin si Mother Roots. Bumibili na siya ngayon ng Jonas. No. Try. The Jonas picture. Masarap naman. Edible din yung straw.
Katakin.
Ito na yung ano. My favorite resto. Henan Crystal Sands.
Dami yung tunda.
Sa SM Bayo. At ganito ang outfit. Dito mo yung nalapag ang buhay, no? Hi guys! So, mag-haul tayo ng mga pinamili natin sa SM. Bikat ulit. Then, snaho, potato chips, yatos, trolley, stickies, binili ko to. Corby, sour gecko. Parang mga bata. Trolley, knife, sour. Yun lang. Saan tayo pupunta? May good night na sila. Kakain pa lang kami ng date night. Okay, let's go. Let's go, everyone. So this is my outfit for today, actually. Nakadress ako. Na purple. Siyempre, purple ulit. Bye-bye. Very sikat talaga yung Boracay sa Korea. I mean, sa Koreans. Ang daming Koreans dito. Sana mag-vacation man lang in Haipinli. Alam mo yun, kahit enok lang. Tapos magpa-parasailing J1.
Cause baby like, ooh, it's all another flower. The sun goes around Can't wait for the long day.
Very low tide today. Kapit Dr. Roger.
I see the way we're going.
Eating some ice cream.
Caught in another lonely night. Now
Oh my gosh, umitim ako.
you should be
Anyway, this is my outfit. I wore this 2 times pa lang. The first one was PYS Fan Meet ng Enhypen. Then the second one was nung New Year. And then this is the 3rd time. Wala na akong makeup. I'm so tired. Hindi na ako nakapag-makeup kasi sobrang pagod na ako.
and I just wanna know how you lit up and
So we're eating right now at Malata. So I have steak, pasta, scallops, my favorite, buttered corn, and crabs. And then may kinuha din akong something na ganito. Yeah, let's eat.